In this video, I'll guide you through how to check Agoda availability so you can quickly see which rooms are open for your trip and avoid any booking surprises. We'll move step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what to look for on the page. First, open the Agoda website or app. On the home screen, you'll see a main search bar where you can start looking for a place to stay. Begin by entering the destination you're interested in. This can be a city, a specific area, or even a particular hotel name if you already know where you want to stay. As you type, Agoda will usually suggest locations, so you can tap or click the correct one from the list instead of typing the full name. Once you've chosen your destination, the next important step is to enter your travel dates and the number of guests. You'll see a date selector, usually labeled with check-in and check-out. Click or tap on that, then choose your arrival date, followed by your departure date from the calendar that appears. Make sure those dates are correct because availability is always tied directly to the dates you select. If your dates are flexible, it can be helpful to check a couple of different options later to compare availability and prices. After setting your dates, adjust the number of guests. There will typically be a section where you can choose how many adults and children are staying and sometimes how many rooms you need. Take a moment to set this accurately because some room types have limits on how many people can stay in them. Getting this right now helps Agoda show you only the rooms that can actually accommodate your group. When your destination, dates, and guests are all set, hit the search button. Agoda will then load a list of properties that match your criteria. This may take a second, especially if you're searching a popular destination or busy dates. Once the results appear, you'll see a list of hotels and other types of stays, each with a name, thumbnail image, rating, and starting price. Now, browse through the list and select a property based on your desired dates and preferences. You can scroll to compare locations, prices, and ratings, and you can also use filters at the top or side of the page to narrow things down by price range, star rating, amenities, or property type. When you see a hotel that looks promising, click or tap on it to open its details page. On the hotels page, you'll find more photos, descriptions, reviews, and most importantly, the room options for the dates you chose. Scroll down to the section that shows the different room types. Here you can view available rooms that match your selected dates and guest count. Each option will usually show the room type, bed configuration, what's included, whether breakfast is provided, cancellation policies, and the total price for your stay. If a room is available, you'll see it clearly listed with a button to select or book it. If something is sold out, it may be marked as unavailable or simply not shown for your dates. Take a moment to compare a few room types, check the policies carefully, and once you've found the one that fits your needs, you're ready to move on to booking, knowing you've confirmed the availability on Agoda.